Rain on as usual. Running late as usual, so we'll put this away first, Millie, yeah? And some of you were asking about Millie getting ready. Well, we need to do this quickly because we're late, as per usual. Isn't that right, Millie? We are on our way to Alan Nicholson's memorial run. Well, it's not quite a memorial run. Well, I suppose it is in a way, but it's basically Alan was unfortunate and was killed by someone under the influence of drugs coming up the wrong way. A slip road at East Kilbride, and tried to flee the scene. Alan didn't stand a chance, but the person pled guilty and thought he could do anything other than that, but he was allowed, his sentence was deferred to allow him time to see his daughter go to school. So I don't understand why he should get such privileges. So it's just a ride we're doing on behalf of Alan. Alan was actually on his way to work that day, and unfortunately he never got the chance to make it there. So there's a group of riders who are meeting up today, organised by False Gods MCC, and we're going to complete Alan's ride for him. Now we need to wear blue. That was Alan's favourite colour, so as a mark of respect we'll be wearing blue. And I'll be giving this a wee wipe.
What?
And now you can hear baby Paul. So we're running late, so we must run. Let's do it, Millie, yeah? Millie won't come in the rain willingly. Right, peeing the rain as per usual. Millie hates the rain. So let's see if I can get stuff sorted. Need to go and get fuel. Millie's ready. We're going to try earplugs in Millie. We've been trying them in the house and it's been working good. Oh, hold on, I know it's raining, baby. But once we get going, you'll be fine. Right. Yeah. In you go. Oh, starting to. Honest, it fits. Right, gloves. Hey Millie, your turn. Go, let's go. Oh. Let's go. Is the bag too full? Go. Up. I'm not lifting you. Good girl. Is your water bottle okay? Is that in the road? Seems okay. We had to make some adjustments to Millie's helmet. She'd been wearing it for a year, but the net underneath slipped up last week, and it's the first time it's ever done that, so I had to repair it. But we've also been trying Millie with earplugs. So a lot of people have been complaining about the bike noises, saying it's bad for her hearing. So this is thanks to Motorbike Cody, if you could follow him on Instagram. He showed me his dog doing it, and it seemed to be okay, so I've been doing it with Millie in the house, and that's if I can actually see her ear canal. She's got that much hair. We will get there, Millie, won't we? Right, I see it. Just push it down a little bit. It gets quite deep, so only put it in a little. Let the foam take up, expand and take it up the slack. As you can see, she doesn't seem to be too fussed with having it in to the other here. This will be our first actual ride with them in. Just to be honest, there'll be hundreds and hundreds of bikes here today, so it's probably a good time to test it. But if I think she's uncomfortable, I'll be stopping and taking it off. So, right, doesn't seem to be concerning her one little bit. Now the helmet with its adjustments. Let's see how tight this goes on. It should be a bit tighter as well. Okay, comfortable. And done. Let's get the engine on. I still need to get petrol. So really late. Alright. Hello. Have you yourself for the video? Hey. That's alright. She'll not go anywhere. Millie. Good girl. Good girl. Do you think I was away?
Millie, hello, Poppy. Hiya.
Good girl.
Hiya. Hiya.
Oh yeah. As you can hear with all the noise, it's not even as much as annoying Millie whatsoever, because she has her earplugs in. So far, definitely a plus. Good girl. Obviously in a convoy of bikes like this, everyone rides a bit closer, but I'm not going to get too close to it
this guy and his kid, but looking at it is I cannot wait until wee Paul Junior's of age where I can get him on a bike. Done the same with Ryan. He loved the bike when he was younger, and how awesome does that look, eh? Now, that's what you call a bond.